Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, so you just click on settings here, you just click on it. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to settings here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on display and text is here. So then you come to next step here. Then you come here to different here differentiate here without color, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us as mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.